Congratulations! You just shipped a production-ready website to that Italian restaurant you've always wanted as a client. But now what? How does your client actually access the site, edit it, add in this new cocktail to the menu? Call you once a week? That's probably the wrong answer. The right one? Transfer it to them, and it only takes 5 clicks. Once the transfer goes through on your end, your client gets an email telling them exactly which project just landed in their account. You'll also stay on as a collaborator, ready to jump in if your client gets stuck, using their credits, of course. You can also duplicate the project first, so you keep a clean copy. If you don't need a copy, we highly suggest to clear the chat history before you hand off. That way, all your secrets stay with you. So go ahead, ship it, transfer it, and get back to building the next glowing project.